What's going on, guys? Money Matrix back with another WordPress tutorial. So you guys are here today looking for ways to speed up your WordPress website. Your WordPress website is running slow, it's lagging, it's not running as fast as you would like it, and there's multiple reasons why this could be happening. And I'm just gonna get to the point real quick because I know everybody hate them long tutorial videos, so I'm gonna try to make this short. And real quick and to the point. Okay, so basically you got to watch out for your images when you're uploading your images and to your back office of your website. Any image that you upload, especially if it's like a megabyte, like 1 MB or more, I would not upload images that huge files. You want to keep the files down to a minimum, so you need to either compress the file or just, I would run it through basically Canva and then download it. Any type of image that you're going to use, just upload it to Canva and then download it again, and it's going to give you a very small JPEG file, and that's what you want to use. That's like 54 KB or 34 KB. So that's the number one thing. The second reason why your site's running slow is going to be it could be the theme. The theme is a possibility. You want to try to get you a theme that is built for speed. There's tons of WordPress themes out there that are built for speed. So normally I try to choose one that's responsive and built for speed. That way you already got that in the bag when you start out. The third reason, and one of the biggest reasons, is going to be your plugins. However many plugins you install. So, I recommend, to be honest, not going over like, really the lower the plugins you have to use on the website, the better it's going to perform. But there's times where I built websites where I've had 30-40 plugins on it, and I was like, and it was just running so slow, but it was like I needed everything because I'm not good at coding, but I am great at WordPress and using mix and matching plugins and making stuff work on it to the way that I like. So I'm normally running like 30 plugins on any typical site that I have, because of everything I want and everything I need. So what I do, guys, I'm not a coder. Like some stuff I'll go in the back and try to code if I can figure it out. But most of the time I'm running plugins, or now with ChatGPT, you can kind of do some HTML coding or get some code written for you. And it can kind of teach you where to insert it at to make your website run fast. Me personally, I ain't got time to really try to do all that and get into the back code and try to speed up the site without actually hiring somebody or paying somebody to do that for me. So what I typically do is look for plugins. So there's a ton of cache plugins that's going to help speed up your website. There's if you just are in your back office and you go to add plugin and go to add new plugin, you can just type in cache, CHCHE, and you're going to find a ton of plugins. There are some good ones that are on the WordPress itself, but to be honest, I've been doing WordPress for 10 years and I don't ran through all of them, and I found 3 that work the best, and one of them is my number one recommended, and we're going to get to that in a moment. So, but first I want to take you to one of my websites called marketer.net, and I'm going to show you, this is the back office, as you can see, or the back of the website, marketer.net. And you can see I got 29 plugins installed right now. Okay, so 29 plugins, guys. I'm running one cache plugin that totally rocks this site, lets me do what I need to do, and everything works great, and it's running super duper fast. So right now I'm gonna take you to Pingdom, and we're gonna do a speed test on it, and we're gonna see where this thing is running at. Okay, so really your website, everybody says about 3 seconds it should be loaded, fully loaded within 3 seconds. I don't even like 3 seconds. I want it faster, so I'm going to show you what Marketer is doing right this second, and then we'll get to the plugin that I actually use on this website. So we're going to switch this over. Since I'm in the United States, we're going to switch this over to let's go with San Francisco, and we'll hit start and we'll see what we'll get. You guys hang tight while we run the speed test. All right, results are up. And look at that, guys. We're loaded in 1.3 seconds. We got a performance grade of 83. That's a B. We're in the green. I'm totally satisfied with that, guys. As long as my site is loading in 1 second, like when I see the 1 and some seconds after that, I'm totally fine with that. It ain't even up to the 2. So that's super duper fast, guys. And as you can see back in the back office, I have 29 plugins activated on marketer.net right now. That makes this site fully functional and awesome. And it's running in under 2 seconds, so 1.36 seconds. Let's go ahead and go over to GT metrics right now, and let's see what we get. Let's check out the real score now, because a lot of people be like, oh, it's just pinged them, but let's check out GT metrics and let's see what we get on here. And guys, I'm running one plugin. Well, one cache plugin that is making this site run awesome. So let's put marketer.net in the test, and we'll hit test your site, and we'll see what we get. And as y'all can see, I'm doing this live right now, so y'all following me. Takes a little second on GT metrics, but let's check out and see what it is. Maybe I need to allow all that or something. It's taking forever. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the a 96% performance. Look at that, 1.1 second. What's the fully loaded time? Fully loaded time was 2.1 second. I ran this earlier and I got a fully loaded time of like 1.7 or something, 8. Like, it was super duper fast, and that's fully loaded, the whole website, guys. Either way, I'm very, very happy with the results of, checking on Pingdom and checking on GT metrics. So I'm super duper happy with that, running 29 plugins. I actually had more on there, but I went ahead. Oh, that's another way to actually reduce the plugins on your website. If you guys can create subsites basically under your same domain, like say you need your site to have a forum on it. So put it under forum.marketer.net, you know what I'm saying? Like, create you a subdomain and then add those plugins to that, and then you can actually simply just do a multi-site on the login, you know what I'm saying, if that's what you need. But so yeah, the plugin that I actually use it's called WP Rocket, guys, and that's what I have installed right here that makes this site super duper fast. Okay, I recommend going to their website and purchasing from them. I am not an affiliate with them, but yeah, definitely check them out. This is an awesome tool, awesome plugin. I highly recommend it. And I also have something great in store for you guys today for checking out this video, giving this video a like, letting y'all know what I use. Some of these plugins can be very expensive, so what I do is I got an unlimited version of WP Rocket. So for all my members that actually join my marketing group over here at marketer.net, it's real simple. You guys can just come over here and join, and you guys in the group, in the community, you guys will have access to WP Rocket, and I will install this on your website if you would like. I provide a lot of stuff over here in my marketing group, so if you're interested in making money online, chatting with me about WordPress, I'm here to help in the community, and We also have tons of more resources and PLR products and everything that you guys can get your hands upon inside of my marketing group. So if this interests you and you guys are interested in getting WP Rocket, what do you call it, installed on your WordPress website, go ahead and join my community. Hit me up. I'm Robert right here over there on Marketer. So check me out. You guys be good. Peace.